Sharon, will you please introduce yourself?
My name is Sharon Jane H. Marigmen. I'm 33 years old, born June 6, 1981. I'm first year in college, BS Commerce. I have two children, 9 years old and 13 years old. I am separated. I am plain housewife in the Philippines. I worked before in the Abu Dhabi, UAE. 6 years in my first employer, and the second time is 2 years in Malaysia.
Are you willing to do all around household chores?
Yes, I am willing.
What experience do you have in household chores?
I have experience about cooking, like ironing, washing the car, laundry washing, and that's all.
What about naughty little children? Can you also take good care of them?
Yes, I can take care of naughty children. I will try to find how they become friends for them, so easy for me how to take care of them.
Can you sing a simple song for a little children?
Yes, I can sing.
Okay, go ahead.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Okay, Sharon, it is possible that there is an old woman or even old man, perhaps the grandmother or the grandfather, who may be sick or bedridden, living with your employer. Are you willing to take care?
Yes, I don't have experience about taking old men or old women, but I'm willing to work about taking care of old men and old women.
How about animals? Can you take care of them too?
Yes, I can take care also.
Do you know how to operate modern household appliances?
I know how to operate modern appliances, but sometimes different brand of appliances, it's not the same procedure how to operate. But if my employer show me how to operate this one, so easy for me.
Okay, what about cooking? Do you have any experience in cooking?
Yes, I have experience cooking.
What particular dishes can you prepare?
I can prepare in Abu Dhabi food, like Arabic food, biryani and saluna. And Filipino dishes is also I know how to cook fried cooking, fried fish, fried chicken, adobo, pasta, and that's all.
Most people in Singapore speak Mandarin. Are you interested to learn the language?
Yes, I'm interested to learn their language. So easy for me. Because the communication is good for us. How better my work, so I can do my work what they want.
Will you please tell us more why you want to work in Singapore?
I want to work in Singapore because I want for my children's needed.
Would you like to say something else to your future employer?
Good day, Madam Sir. Thank you for considering me to work for you. I am hardworking person. I will do my best to serve for you. As you please, thank you.